finished nigga from the projects. I'm gon' make it, who gon' stop it? I ain't got nothing to lose, yeah. Fuck all the rules, yeah. I'm on the move, yeah. I'm on the move, yeah. I'm a young spin.
What's going on, everybody? It's me, Melvin, once again with another video. And for those of you that are new to my channel, you know, I make videos on how to make money online, you know, strategies on starting your own business, you know, ideas, and basically giving you the breakdown. I do videos on Shopify with printful, print on demand, and soon I will be incorporating vlogs onto my channel. All right, but in this video, actually, it's more how to take profits in crypto.com. And I'm one of those guys that, you know, if I take profits, I'm actually gonna keep my profits in my fiat wallet, right? And let me just put a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is definitely not financial advice. This is just the way that I do it, okay? So basically, you know, got $1,000 in my crypto account. I got the money working for me. You know, a week or two later, you know, I'm gonna start pulling out profits, right? So the way that I do it is 5% a day. 5% of 1,000 is $50. So daily pulling out $50, okay? And you want to keep a good amount of cryptos, okay, in your account. I say about 5 to 7 cryptos, go up to 10. All right, so you want to just let it marinate, let your account marinate with that 1,000, and let your percentages run up, right? And then daily you just pull out $50, and you add up those 50 until you get to that 1,000. Then you know you are gonna keep your 1,000 in there working for you regardless. But you just, them $50 are gonna add up every day that you pull out, right? But just let it marinate. And then also, once you take those profits, right? Let's say you move part of your profits into your fiat wallet. The reason why you want to move some of those profits to your fiat wallet is because you want to buy that dip again, right? So you want to buy that dip. So you want to keep money in the exchange. But if you're one of those people that want to keep some money in the exchange, but also pull, let's say, $25 out of that 50 out, then you could literally do that, okay, by using Cashapp, okay? And I'm going to walk you guys through the process. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, let's get straight into this video, okay, guys? I'll see you guys there. All right, you guys, so I'm going to assume you guys have crypto.com. So you just put in your password. So I'm going to put my fingerprint. And you're going to be right here on your account, okay? So once you're here on your account, first thing you're going to want to do is literally go to the right-hand side and just click on card right here on the bottom right. And if you haven't signed up for a card, there's a free one, which is called Midnight Blue. So you can't see it right here. Actually, we can go to full card details. So that's it right there, guys. It's Midnight Blue. You could sign up for it, okay? And once you all signed up for it, they're actually going to give you access to your debit card number, your expiration date, and your code on the back, okay? So once they give you all that information, save it, okay? Because that's your digital card, right? So they're going to mail out your physical card, and you'll have that in the mail. And actually, it takes a little bit to get it. But what you're going to do with that card number, you're literally going to save it. You know, just put it somewhere safe, and you can add it to your Apple Pay, your wallet, and you're all good, okay? So we're going to go back. So right here under accounts, okay, on the bottom right here, it's going to say fiat wallet. And then there's above it is going to say crypto.com Visa card. So that's where literally when you take when you sell some of your coins, right, and take profits, you could have it, you can pick and choose where you want it to go, right? The only thing is, if you sell it all to your crypto card, you cannot buy any more and buy dips, okay, using that crypto.com Visa card. The only way you could do that is by, once you sell, let's say you're going to sell some Ethereum, you're going to take your 5% on Ethereum, so you're going to pull out $50. When you sell, okay, when you go here and sell, you literally want to pick fiat wallet, okay? Just have it all go to fiat wallet, right? And, you know, just boom, you just put your 50 there and you're good to go, right? And you hit sell. So then once you hit sell, just hit that back arrow, hit home, okay? And then just kind of refresh it. And you can go to accounts, right? So let's say you already cashed out 50 bucks into your fiat wallet. What you're going to want to do is click, go on the bottom where it says accounts and click where it says Crypto.com Visa card, right? So you're going to click on that. So once you click on that, you're going to click on this button that says top up right next to send. Just click top up. And then what you're going to want to do is just go over where it says fiat wallet. Just click on that. And then you could literally put, let's say you want to keep 25 in your fiat wallet, right? Because the money that's in your fiat wallet, you can literally buy those dips, okay? So you want to be making sure that you have money in that fiat wallet. So if there's a nice dip, you can go ahead and buy in that dip, right? And you could just buy with the currency you have in your fiat wallet. But for this example, we're going to top up, right? So we're going to load money into our Visa card. Okay, top up, and we're going to be using our fiat wallet. So we're going to transfer money from our fiat to our Crypto.com card. So then right here, we're just going to put 25, right? So once you put 25, you're going to hit the blue button on the bottom to basically complete the transaction, and you're good to go, right? And that's pretty much that process, okay? That now that money is going to be, go back to accounts, that money, that $25 is going to be on your Crypto.com Visa card, okay? So you're going to have $25 there and $25 in your fiat. So let's say you, you got some money in your fiat, right? There's a dip in Bitcoin. You hit buy, and then you go to your fiat wallet, and then, you know, you just have to adjust the zeros, right? So you right above where it says 0 BTC, right above, that's pretty much, you're going to put 25 bucks in it, right? So you're going to put 0.006. Now that's way too much. 6. So maybe 4. And then 3. How about 4? And let's see, 9. So 5, 9. So 7. We'll do 1. All right, so we'll do 2. How about that? Okay, so $24.99. So now that $25, okay, you're going to buy $25, basically money that you have in your fiat wallet. You're going to buy that dip in Bitcoin, and then you're just going to go ahead and boom, boom. You know, hit the blue button to complete the transaction, and there you go. So now, point of this video is how to take profits, right? In Crypto.com and transfer basically to Cashapp. So that money that you have literally in your Crypto.com Visa card, what you're going to want to do now is go over to Cashapp. Okay, and you just hit that home button, and on the top right, just click on your picture there and go to link banks. Okay, just click on whatever card you have on there already. Just click on it and just hit replace. Once you hit replace, you're going to type in that debit card number that you got in the beginning when you signed up for the Midnight Blue card, for your Crypto.com card. You're going to type that debit card number in, okay? So once you add that card in, okay, you're going to save it. It's going to save. And what you're going to want to do is go here where it says add cash. You're going to add cash, and you're going to hit 25 bucks, right? And then you're going to hit add. It's going to pull the $25 out of your Crypto.com card on your account, and it's going to add it to your Cash App, okay? So after you have the money into your Cash App, what you're going to want to do is click on that picture once again. Okay, and you're going to hit link banks. Click on that Crypto.com card that you added to put the $25 into your Cash App. You're going to click on that card, and you're going to replace it again with your bank card. And then after you put your bank card again, you save it. Okay, your bank card will save. Then you're going to go back, and you're going to cash out that $25, okay, that you have on your Cash App. You're going to cash it out to your actual bank. And now what you did there is basically diversified, right? You kept money in the exchange, and you pull some of that money out and put it in the bank. So that way you got money in your bank account, and you got money in your fiat wallet, okay? Me personally, I prefer to keep it in the exchange, because that way the more money you have in your fiat wallet, the more you can buy those dips, right? But if you're one of those people that want to just have them in different places, have your money here, have your money there, nothing wrong with that. That's your preference. That's your choice. then you can do just that, right? So you can literally utilize Cash App to add your Crypto.com card, but that'll be the first thing you do, okay? So just go to where it says, let's go back here. So literally, first thing you do when you open up your Crypto.com account, just go on the right-hand side where it says card and just sign up, okay? It's called Midnight Blue. It's a free card. You're going to have other options there that's going to say, sign up for this, stake this. You know, they're going to have like a $4,000 crow thing they want you to sign up for and all this stuff, these metal cards. There's going to be like a button up top, right? It's going to say edit or change. You just click on that button, okay? And you can literally just, you can choose this free card. It's a PVC card. And we could go here, all the way at the bottom. These are the details, right? You get 1% back on the card spend. Okay, card rewards. It's free, right? So you can literally just use this, right, to like, you know, as a gateway to basically use it for Cash App. So that way you could just move money around to your bank accounts, right? So that way you can move it to your Cash App, and then your Cash App, you pull the money out of your Crypto.com card. You pull the money out of your Crypto.com card. It's going to be in your Cash App account. And then you're going to go ahead and replace this card. Okay? And you're going to put in your bank debit card. And you're just going to cash that money from your Cash App to your actual bank. And that's pretty much the process. All right, guys? And, of course, you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And I'll be more than happy to help you out. All right, guys, so that pretty much wraps it up for this video. If you found value in this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. I know this example, I didn't have the $1,000 into this account in this example, and I only have what, like 3, 4, or 5 cryptos. But literally you can do it with how many cryptos you want, but you want to diversify your cryptos, right? You want to make sure that you have multiple cryptos, because if one crypto is not doing so well and the other one is doing well, then you can pull your 5%, okay, out of that crypto. Okay, sometimes it may not be 50, sometimes it may be 20, sometimes it may be 30, but you want to be pulling out some profits, right? And you want to put them in your fiat wallet, and you could diversify it from your fiat wallet. You could transfer it over to your crypto card, and that way you go on your Cash App and you sit here and you add that debit card number from your Crypto.com card, and you put it in your Cash App, and then you add cash. Okay, it's gonna pull money out of your crypto card out, and it's gonna add it to your Cash App, and then you're gonna replace that crypto card in your Cash App with your bank account, and that's pretty much how you're gonna be moving your funds around. Okay, that's with Crypto.com. All right. So in this example, this is for Crypto.com. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.